Find the total area of the shaded regions. So here's the regions here. So the area then is equal to, or it will be this area here, which will be the integral between 1 and 4, these are the x values, of the y, the heights, these horizontal vertical strips here between 1 and 4, so it's y, 5x minus 4 minus x squared dx, and then it's also, because it's below the axis, we have to put a minus in, the area between 4 and 5 of this curve as well, 5x minus 4 minus x squared dx. So that equals then, let's integrate 5x squared minus 4x minus x cubed over 3, and that first integral would be between 1 and 4 minus the same integral, so it's 5x squared over 2 rather, minus 4x minus x cubed over 3, and that would be between 4 and 5, wouldn't it? So we need to work out all these constituent parts, so let's turn our attention to this problem now then. So the top value, so it's 5 times 4 squared, 16 over 2 is 8, 5 8s are 40. When you put 4 in here, 5 16s are 80, over 2 is 40, minus 4 4s are 16, minus 4 cubed is 64. That's the top value. Take the bottom value, put 1 in then, 5 over 2, minus 4, minus 1 cubed is just 1 over the 3. So there's that. And then it's minus, and then we have to do 5, don't we? So that's 125 over 2, minus 20, and then minus 125 over 3. Okay, and then it's that value, take away the 4 in, so put 4 in here, you get 16, so that's 40 again, isn't it? A 40 there. Okay, so that's a 40, minus 16, minus 64 over 3. Close that bracket, close that bracket. Now if you notice, that's a minus times a minus here. So basically you've got a plus, you've got 2 lots of this same bracket here. So it's equal to 2 lots of this bracket then, because it's a double minus when we expand the big bracket here, and this becomes a plus. So it's 2 lots of this term here. 40 minus 16 is 24, minus 64 over 3, so that's not too bad there. Then we've got all this stuff here which I'm going to expand the bracket of, so it's minus 5 over 2, minus 4, so that'll be plus 4, wouldn't it? And then plus a third when we've expanded this bracket, and also this one here is minus 125 over 2 plus 20 plus 125 over 3. So I think that's everything there. So let's just work out what we've got then. So minus 5 over 2 minus 125 over 2 is minus 130 over 2, which is minus 65. And then you've got 4 and 20 is plus 24. And then we've got 125 plus 130 is 126 over 3, which is 42, isn't it? Plus 42. So 126 over 3 would be 42. Yeah, that's right. So 42 and 24 is 66, take 65. This tots up to 1, doesn't it? So it shouldn't be too bad to work out now. So let's work out what we've got then. So this is plus 66 minus 65 is plus 1. This is 48. minus 128 over 3. So it's 49. Times that by 3 is 147 over 3, because it's 3 less than 150, isn't it? Because it's 49. Minus the 128 over 3, which is 148.19 over 3 units squared. So there's our area then, 19 over 3 units squared. And we could tap it in a calculator if we wanted to, but the numbers weren't too bad, were they? So between 4 and 1, and we did that here, minus, and between 5 and 4, then we had a minus the whole object, of course. That made that into 2 lots of. That was 24 minus 64 over 3. And then we just tidied all this up by running the minus through here with these terms, and running the minus through here with these terms. And then they worked out conveniently to 19 over 3 units squared.